guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Stephanie from StephanieTHall.com, and inside of today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious vegan jackfruit tacos. So if you've been looking for recipes that taste good, are flavorful, and easy to make, then you definitely have to keep watching this video as I show you how to prepare these tacos. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're the first to know when new videos are released each week. Now, let me show you just how quick and easy these tacos are to make. So since we're making jackfruit tacos, the first thing we're going to need is some jackfruit. And again, we're using the jackfruit in the can, the unripe jackfruit. And you want to just shred it like so, so that it gives you the texture of like a chicken or a pulled pork, okay? And again, you want to get the unripe jackfruit that's in the can that comes in water. So this is how it looks when we're getting ready to prepare it. You're also going to need some finely chopped onion, some minced garlic, and some tomato paste and some taco seasonings. And I'm going to put all of the recipe in the description box below. The next thing you want to do is warm some oil in a pan and then add the garlic and onion to the pan and saute it. Once you do that, then we want to add in the shredded jackfruit and saute that as well, just for a couple of minutes until it is soft. Then you want to add in the seasonings, and then make sure everything is coated really well and combined really well with the jackfruit. Then we're going to add in some vegetable broth. And again, I'm going to put the full amounts in the description box below. And then you want to add in the tomato paste when you add in the vegetable broth and mix everything well. Okay, and then just make sure everything is mixed and combined very thoroughly. And then you just want to cook the jackfruit for approximately 5 minutes. And then after that, then you can assemble your tacos. You want to just add in your lettuce, and then we'll add the jackfruit to our tacos, and then whatever fixings that you like. Okay, I'm adding in some shredded purple cabbage, some fresh cilantro to both of the tacos here, and then some fresh chopped tomatoes. And then I love adding in vegan cheese, and I'm using the Daiya cheese here, but again, you can use whatever you prefer. Okay, so as you can see, this is a quick and easy meal. It tastes so great, and it goes well with vegetables or a salad, okay? If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and give me a thumbs up. Also, in the comment section, let me know what's your favorite toppings that you like to enjoy on your taco. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week.